The first topic, that is ethics and human interface. Some portion of it comes from philosophy, that is moral philosophy, which is ethics, and some portion of it comes from sociology. Like there is a topic like values which the society or the educational institutions help in inculcating into an individual. So that is the role played by society, educational institution in inculcation of values. That's a part of society or sociology, optional. And therefore you see that the first unit comes from moral philosophy, that is a part of philosophy, and sociology. The second, third and fourth units, that is attitude, aptitude and emotional intelligence, comes mostly from social psychology. They are part of the psychology optional. Topic number 5 again is a pure philosophy topic. It means you have the thoughts and the views and the theories of thinkers from world and India. It comes from the philosophy optional. Topic number 6, which is ethics in public administration, and topic number 7, which is probity in governance, comes from the public administration optional, whereas case studies are based on all of them. So you cannot say that the subject matter of ethics comes from one particular optional, rather it comes from 4 major optional subjects. But those who do not have any of these optional, do not worry, because what is asked in UPSC is very general. Why? Because GS paper 4 is part of the general studies section. So let us now try to have a brief look into every topic individually. So the first topic is ethics and human interface. This unit can be divided into 2 parts, ethics and human interface. In ethics, we try to understand the meaning of ethics, the dimensions of ethics, the characteristics of ethics, the different branches of ethics. I told you that ethics is a set of standards, norms or principles which the society places over itself, and against those standards, individual actions are judged from the viewpoint of righteousness or wrongfulness, rightness or wrongness, goodness or badness. The second part of the syllabus, which is human interface, can be divided into 2 parts, human values and human actions. Human actions are those actions which are performed by humans with the investment of thought and volition. That is, these actions are not forced action, but they are voluntary actions which are performed by free will. Only those actions are judged in ethics. Forced actions do not become a subject matter of ethics. So, one part of this subpart deals with human actions. The other one is human values. What do we understand by human values? Human values are certain beliefs which are very dear to humans, and on the basis of which human action is often guided. In fact, behaviors are often a reflection of the values of an individual. Say for example, you attach a very high value to integrity. Therefore, you will not indulge into an act of corruption. In this very unit, we understand the role of family, educational institution and society in the inculcation of values into an individual. We also try to understand the lessons that we learn from the lives of great leaders and world thinkers from whom we can inculcate some values. Like say for example, we can inculcate the value of truth from Mahatma Gandhi. We can inculcate courage from Abraham Lincoln. So this unit is all about ethics and human interface.